Right, so I hope everyone's doing alright. So, just a quick video of a squirrel snare trap idea. Now I'll show you everything and then I'll explain it. You've got a tube. This is a down pipe of a drain pipe. So had a bit cut out the front, a piece of mesh put over which clips at the back and will open up. And then on top it's got screwed a piece of wood with a hole coming all the way through, and inside there is a snare. The snare comes through the hole, goes through this loop and is attached here to that one, if you can see it, I hope. And this would be for an anchor to be tied on. And the idea is you would put this in a tree, or maybe put this on top of a long plank of wood between two trees. And this is how it would work. So you'd either put bait in there hoping the squirrel would come through, or just put it on somewhere where he will pass through. You could put this on a leaning pole, like like the traditional ones. I'll explain why this bit is open at the front and why it's like that. So the idea is the squirrel passes through and he gets caught on the snare, but because he's in there and he's kind of trapped, he can't move side to side. He can move back and forward, but not much because the snare is quite tight. But he can't really twist or pull, or hopefully he can't even get his head around to bite the snare, because squirrels are notorious for just biting through things. I've done some squirrel traps, some squirrel snares years ago, and more often than not the squirrels could chew through wire very easily. But the intention of this is to hold him in place so he can't really move. So once he's been caught in the snare, he's stuck in there. He can't move very far at all. And what this part is for, now as most people will know, snare traps aren't necessarily killing traps. A lot of snare traps, especially in the UK, they're actually live catch traps. So just hold the animal in place. So once you caught your squirrel, what this would be for is to get an air gun, and then you could shoot him through these bars and finish him off. And also the other reason is you can open this up and then you'll be able to reset the snare again. Otherwise you'd never get your hands in here to do it. You need an open side. So open side to reset the snare and to dispatch the squirrel, or I suppose depending on your size of snare, this could work on a rat. And then that just clips over there. So I hope that makes sense. I'd thought of this a while back, and the idea was I was going to make it out of a box. You could make it out of a box. A box may work better because you could do all this open side bit just as a side what came down on the box. But yeah, squirrel goes in, gets caught, and this whole kind of setup is to help stop him chew out the wire. Because I promise you, squirrels could chew through a piece of wire like that easily. But at least once he's caught in there, hopefully he shouldn't be able to move much to be able to get to the wire. There's a view inside. I hope that makes sense. And then this could be put anywhere what he'll pass through. Right. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.